2019 Dodge Ram Power Wagon 6.4 liter HEMI right there. You guys can see it. What we did on it is something special, something different that we usually don't do. So I got the stock kettle converters right there and right there. Then it's wide into a 3.5-3-inch pipe. Then we put a 3-inch glass pack on it, 12-inch body, and 3-inch tailpipe all the way back into another resonator that comes factory with it. He does a lot of towing, so he said he didn't want that one cut off. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a minute. There she is. Dodge Ram Power Wagon. Yeah, single. Dodge Ram Power Wagon 6.4 liter. Let you hear it on the inside.
Inside the Dodge Power Wagon. I'll let you guys hear it. This is a beautiful truck.
Too cute. Here's the Rubicon Renee Gladiator. We just finished, and then we just did this Power Wagon. Got a distinctive sound. Yeah, I told them. They can't do anything on private property.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.